So here's what you get for the K&F ND filters for your Pocket 3. Now here is the package. It's very small here, and as you can see, what you can then do is just simply open this up. So once we open up the package, inside you'll get something that looks like this. So you've got different ones here. So if we flip it over, as you can see here, there is 3 different ones. There is the CPL filter, and we've also got the ND16, the ND64, and also the ND256 right there. And then as you can see, I'm currently not using any sort of ND filter, and all you need to do is take this out and apply this to the front of the camera. So kind of what it will look like is if I go ahead and just attach this. As you can see here, this is what it would look like once the ND filter is attached. So as you can see, once you are out in direct sunlight, this will sort of benefit your camera in a very specific way. And then when you remove it, that's what it's looked like. And then that's how it looks when you put it on. And that's how it looks when you remove. So it's just that simple, guys. That's the K&F ND filters for your Pocket 3.